congratulations to Amity Gurgaon for conducting such an event and having such a thoughtful topic for discussion, and especially much needed during such times of hardship when the entire world is going through such a tough phase. Possibilities rebooted. It's a very thought-provoking sort of a topic and something very close to my heart. It actually got me thinking, what all could I narrate? So I'll maybe start. I just have three. I realize I just have 10 minutes to quickly wind up. So I'll just share three stories. Two are from my personal life, and one is just a general thought-provoking message which I'd like to leave with. So the first is from the days when I used to prepare for my UPSC examination. I wonder how many of the students which are linked here on this VC would be keen on giving UPSC or taking government service as their future career. So maybe they could hear in more keenly and listen in. So in the year which I was giving the examination, I gave my first attempt. And so the first attempt I did not clear, I reached till the interview. So in the subsequent year, the syllabus was completely revamped by the government. In the UPSC, the Union Public Service Commission. So the syllabus was completely revamped. Nobody had an idea how to maybe approach the exam. We did not have previous year papers to give us a hint of how to go about with it. So I was completely taken aback, and you've clearly mentioned in your brochure that literally grace to the ground was a feeling I was getting, because I had already crossed 2-3 levels last year, and I was pretty confident that the coming year I would be able to crack it. But then nonetheless, I was confident, and of course with the support of my parents, my teachers, and I would insist that persistence is the key here. Persistence is the only thing which takes you ahead in life, and which can actually make you be very successful. So I made sure that nothing deters my motivation, my persistence. Every day, step by step, and of course with a lot of smart work, I think anything can be achieved in life. So this is one example which for a moment, for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, I was in a dilemma. I didn't know what to do, how to go about with it. But keeping your persistence, keeping the support of all your ecosystem, if you have that, and if you have confidence in yourself, then nothing is unachievable. Everything is possible. This was the first thing. Secondly, second example I'll give you from my work experience. So recently, I'm sure all of you are aware that the coast of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry were affected by a very severe cyclone called Nivar. This was towards the end of November, around 25th, 26th. So the person in charge, the officer in charge, unfortunately fell down with COVID. So then I was suddenly just called in as a makeshift arrangement that Purva, you please come and handle everything. So again, it was just by chance and just, without any preparations, I was called in to take care of such a big, such a severe, intense situation. So again, you keep up your persistence, keep your cool, have confidence in yourself, and be methodical. That is very important. Whatever guidance you have, whatever steps which need to be taken, that one by one, if you do it, keeping your cool, keeping your persistence, then I think once you're prepared, everything can be taken care of. So similarly, in the cyclone, what happened? Thankfully, a lot of preparedness work was already done by the district. Everything was in place. We knew which all people need to be put into action when the cyclone comes, what all are the standard operating procedures, how to evacuate the people from the affected zones, from the coastal zones. So within a period of 24 hours, it was like there is nothing on the ground. Suddenly the person who has to take care of everything is not there, and you are put into place and how to go about it. So step by step, with the guidance of others, with the guidance of your seniors, you go ahead, be determined, have faith in God, and you can achieve it. So thankfully, thanks to all our preparedness, all our efforts, the cyclone Nivar passed away, and there was zero loss of life in Puducherry, and the district administration and the government of Puducherry takes a lot of pride in saying that not many damages happened, and there was zero loss of life in this very severe cyclone. So this is one example which I have from my work life, and now just leaving all of you with a thought that if we think of our lives, as babies, we learn to crawl, and then we start walking, limping. But then every step we take, we fall, but we get up again. So that persistence is a natural thing in a human being. Please never let it die. Keep the child in you alive, the same child which you were once, which took the first step, fell down, but still had the persistence to get up again and move. And today, you all can walk beautifully. So just keep that thing in mind. I have a few names here on my screen: Dhriti, Mihir, Prabha, Vidhita. So just a few names which I have on my Manisha Sharma. So few names which I have on my screen. I would like to reach out to you personally and say, just remember the baby who was there once, 6 months old, 9 months old, who never gave up despite falling so many times, and still stood up one day and could walk. Just keep that in mind. Thank you.